Dear students, welcome you all in your YouTube channels SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Maharashtra Pune Preparatory Bridge Code Test number 1 of class 9 having marks 15 of Science and Technology, which has a time of 30 minutes based on activity sheet number 1 to 7. So we have to see the question number 1. The question number 1 is tell me who I am. It has 3 marks, which means each question has 1 mark. The first one is in an electric circuit, electrons in the wire flow due to. This is because of potential difference. The second is I make iron screws stick to the magnet. This is because of magnetic force. Magnetic force is also called as a magnetism. The third is I have characteristics of both metal and non-metal. You all know that those elements which have characteristics of metal as well as non-metal are always called as a metalloids. Now the question number 2 is observe the following diagram and write the answer. Here this question is also for 3 marks. The first question is identify the element. You all know that this is a sodium. How many electrons are present? Here 11 electrons are present. Sodium have always 11 electrons. Name the second shell of the atom. The first shell of atom is called K, second shell is called L, and third shell is called M, and fourth shell is called N. K shell always have 2 electron, L shell always have 8 electron, M always have 18, and N shell have 32 electron. Here L shell, how many electrons are there in L shell? Then the 8 electrons are present in L shell. Now we move towards the third question. The third question is which type of mixture is lemon sherbet? Write down the components in it. It also have 3 marks. The lemon sherbet is a homogeneous mixture because it have only one phase, that is liquid. That's why it is an homogeneous mixture. The components of lemon sherbet are lemon, water, sugar and salt. Now the question number 4 is identify the odd term. It has 2 marks. The first is salt, baking soda, camphor and blue vitriol. Here camphor is an odd term. All other 3 are soluble in water while camphor is insoluble in water. Now the second is sodium, zinc, calcium, chlorine and calcium. Here chlorine is the odd term. All other 3, that is sodium, zinc, calcium are the metals. Now the question number 5. Now the question 5 is complete the table. It also have 2 marks. Here 2 examples are given and you have to find out the type of inertia. The first example is if we stop paddling, then also the cycle remains in motion. This is inertia of motion, and the stone does not change its position. This is inertia of rest. This is an example of inertia of rest. Now the last question of this test is the following diagram shows the experiment of pressure exerted on object. What will you conclude from this experiment? It also have 2 marks. You can observe that when books placed on that wooden plank spreading, then the wooden plank does not tilt. Here books are placed one top on the one, then this wooden plank tilt or bend. Here you can observe that the wooden plank will be bent. So we can say that pressure exerting on an object is inversely proportional to the area. In first figure, the pressure exerted by books is less because books acquires a large area. That's why this wooden plank does not bend. And in figure 2, the pressure exerted by books is large because it acquires less area. Here your test number 1 is finished. If you have any doubts, any queries regarding this paper or regarding the science, please comment us in comment section. To appreciate us to make more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel, like and share the link of video to your friends. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, be safe.